Want to link WordPress menu items directly to specific sections on your Elementor page? In this video, I'll show you exactly how to set up smooth menu anchors so your visitors can jump to any section of your site with just one click. No endless scrolling required. First of all, make sure to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and share it with your friends. Now, open your browser and go to your WordPress-based website. Once you're on the page, click on Edit with Elementor from the top Admin ribbon. This will open the Elementor editor where you can start customizing your page. Let's say you're on your home page and you have multiple sections. Scroll down to find the one you want to link to, for example, a product section that appears further down the page. Instead of making your visitors scroll all the way down to get there, we'll create an anchor menu link that takes them directly to that section. Click on the container of that section to select it. On the left-hand panel in Elementor, go to the Advanced tab. Scroll down until you find the CSS ID field. In this field, type a unique ID like Get Product. Once you've entered it, click the Publish button in the top right corner to save your changes. Now let's create the menu item. Click the hamburger icon or the three horizontal lines on the top left of the Elementor panel and select Exit to WordPress. You'll be redirected back to the WordPress dashboard. From here, go to Appearance and then click on Menus. Scroll down on this page and click on the Custom Links option. In the URL field, type in your full website URL followed by # Get Product, as you can see. In the Link Text field, write the label you want to appear in your menu, such as Get Product. Click the Add to Menu button, and this custom link will be added to your menu structure. Once it's in place, click the Save Menu button to confirm everything. Now go back to your site and refresh the page. You should see a new menu item in your navigation bar called Get Product. The moment you click on it, it will automatically take you to the product section of your homepage. No scrolling needed. So, are you prepared to create stunning designs? Elementor is my top choice, and you can dive in immediately by clicking the affiliate link below. If this video helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. See you in the next one.